he's ready to go. I remember we used to spar a while back, and I remember telling my trainer, do I have to spar with him? I mean, he was a guy who comes with everything. A guy with a big heart, a guy with strong punches, a guy that was very dedicated, and the reason why this fight is being made is because you can't count out in Alfonso Gomez. You can't count out a guy who has been to the top, gone down, been to the top. This guy, you can never ever come down for nothing. He's a warrior that never gives up, and I know that personally. So that's the reason why I know this is going to be a great fight that I'm looking forward to, that everybody's looking forward to. I mean, we all know him from the Contender and the special things he did there. We all know that he has victories over Jesus Soto Caras and Jose Luis Castillo. I mean, this guy fought a lot of great fighters, good fighters like Gotti and Ben Taki and Jesse Brinkley. And now he's rated number 7 in the world by the WBC. Él tiene obviamente el corazón de mexicano y de guerrero, y él va a pelear con todo. Y eso yo lo sé personalmente porque nosotros trabajamos juntos por varias peleas en Big Bear. Y yo sé las cualidades que tiene Alfonso Gómez y lo sé que va a ser una gran pelea. Así que me da mucho gusto, un gran placer representarles de Guadalajara, Jalisco, México, con 23, 4 y 12 knockouts. Ahora viviendo en Buena Park, California, Alfonso Gómez.
Thanks for the props, Oscar. Appreciate it. Gracias por las lindas palabras, Oscar. Muy bueno de tu parte. Pues nada, muchas gracias a Golden Boy Promotions por darme esta oportunidad. Son de las oportunidades y de las peleas que cambian la vida de un peleador. Yo estoy sumamente agradecido con ellos que me escogieron para esterilizar esta pelea tan importante en un fin de semana tan importante para todos los mexicanos y toda la comunidad latina en México y aquí en Estados Unidos. Thank you very much to Golden Boy Promotions for putting up this fight and for choosing me to be part of this mega event. This is the type of fights and opportunities that change the life of a fighter, both boxing and in his personal life. So I'm very grateful for this great opportunity to showcase my talent on a weekend so important to all Mexicans as this weekend for the Mexican Independence Day. That is the reason why I train so hard for this fight, because I know it can change my life, it can change my family's life. Por eso mismo entrené tan duro para esta pelea, porque sé que me va a cambiar la vida a mí y a mi familia y mi futuro. Muchas personas me preguntan si hice un rap esta vez, y no hice un rap esta vez, así que los invito a visitar mi página o verme en YouTube, ya que tengo muchas canciones ahí.